Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing good. I'm a bit hungry, so let's make something. For that, I have to check my refrigerator, obviously. Okay friends, so I decided to make some pizza rolls. Okay, so let's start making the pizza rolls. Here we have 1 cup wheat flour, half cup curd, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, half a teaspoon ENO. I have chose the lemon flavor, and a half a teaspoon baking powder. Let's start making the dough. Till the time our dough sets, we are going to make the filling for our pizza rolls. So come, I will show you the ingredients. Here we have a green capsicum, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and of course an onion. Here we have mozzarella cheese, some oregano, chili flakes, regular salt, rock salt, and black pepper. It's chopping time! But do be careful while using the knife. It's time to mix all the ingredients. Now the dough has puffed. Now it's time to roll it. Make a roll.
Sweet sound. बड़े मोटा रोल बनता है.
I have rolled the dough. Now it's time to spread pizza sauce. And salsa sauce. Yum! It looks tasty already. Now time to spread the stuffing on it. Spread it generally. Gently roll it. This is a little difficult. Time to cut it in equal pieces. After making the rolls, take a baking tin and place baking sheet in it. Now grease some oil on it. Now time to place the rolls in it. Now apply some milk on the rolls. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now cover it with a cloth for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our rolls look awesome. Now time to bake it. We have to bake it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Now time to keep it in the preheated oven. Now finally the time has come. Let's see. Oh, they look delicious. Let's apply some butter on it. They look delicious as well as they are healthy because they are made up of wheat flour. Plating time! You can serve the rolls with some drinks. Here I have a bonus drink, Ocean Blue Mojito. What do you think about my recipe, which is made up of wheat flour and is also very healthy? Leave some comments in the comment section. Like my video, subscribe my channel Zara Hatke. Bye for now. We'll meet you in the next video with definitely something Zara Hatke. Plating, एक मिनट रुको.